Hello students, hope all of you are fine. Now today we will explain the second part of the chapter 9, that is clothes, our basic needs. In the earlier video we have covered the topics needs for clothes and types of clothes. Now today we will describe about the types of fibers, in which natural fibers, synthetic fibers will be covered, and also we will see how to maintain fibers. How are clothes made? In early days, human beings wore clothes made up of leaves and branches of trees. They also used animal skin to cover their body. Today, cloth is made by weaving different materials or fibers. Now, all these fibers are either natural or synthetic. Now, weaving can be done by using hand or using machines. When cloth is ready, it can be stitched and tailored into different clothes such as frocks, shirt, pants, t-shirts, etc. Types of fiber. Fibers are mainly two types: man-made fiber and natural fiber. Now, man-made fibers are the fibers which are made up of chemicals, but natural fibers are the fibers which we get from plants and animals. The examples of man-made fibers are nylon, polyester, polyethylene, polypropylene, rayon, and so on. And the examples of natural fibers are, generally natural fibers are divided into two parts, that is plant fiber and animals fiber. The example of plant fiber is cotton, flax, jute, etc. And the animal fibers are wool and silk. As we know, natural fibers are coming from plants and animals. Like cotton is coming from cotton plant. The fluffy cotton balls growing on a cotton plants are picked and fibers are obtained from them. The cotton fibers are made into threads which are then woven to make clothes. Now, animals also provide us with fibers for making clothes, like silk threads are made up of silkworm. The wool from sheep is woven for making winter clothes. Leather is made from animal skin, but leather is not made from fibers. Now, some features of natural fiber. Natural fiber like cotton is cool to wear, excellent absorbent, means it absorbs more water, dries slowly, durable but creases easily. Then second is linen is fresh and cool to wear, good absorbent but dries quickly, durable but creases easily. Third is wool, it is warm, it can shrink, so needs to be dry clean, not washed. Then silk is warm to wear, has a beautiful shine, needs to be dry clean. Now, synthetic fiber. Synthetic, you can also say human made, man made fibers. Synthetic fibers that are not obtained from plants and animals are called man made or synthetic fibers. Example, nylon, polyester and rayon are some examples of synthetic fibers. These fibers are made artificially using chemicals. Now, advantages of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are very durable and do not wrinkle easily. They are elastic and can be easily stretched out. They are strong and can sustain heavy load. It is soft and hence it is used in clothing material. It is cheaper as compared to natural fibers. Now, maintaining fibers. It is important to wear clean clothes. Dirty clothes carry dust and germs that may make us fall sick. If we look after our clothes well, they will last a long time. They will also look better. There are some simple tips for taking care of our clothes. First, cotton, nylon, polyester clothes can be washed with a detergent properly. Then, the washed and ironed clothes regularly. Washed clothes need to be squeezed well and left to dry properly. Third, after wearing once, hang the clothes to air them before keeping them in the cupboard. Fourth, once back from playground, the sweaty and soiled clothes should be cleaned properly. Then, some clothes bleed color, so they need to be washed separately. Delicate clothes such as woolen and silk needs to be washed with gentle soap. It is also important to store clothes properly. They are generally kept in boxes along with mothballs and dried neem leaves. Woolen and silk clothes needs to be kept in sun for a few hours, washed and then dry cleaned before they are stored. So these are the method how we should take care of our clothes. So this is the end of the chapter 9. Clothes our basic needs. Now in next session we will discuss question and answers. Till then, bye.